Welcome back to the channel, folks. A new year means fresh opportunities and exciting projects, and we're kicking things off with a rather different tool. Today, we've got something exciting lined up. We're diving into the unboxing of the Parkside 4-volt cordless multi-cutter. Stick around as we explore every detail, put it to the test, and see if it earns a spot in your toolbox. Let's get started. This device comes equipped with a modest 2000 milliamp battery. Perhaps sufficient? We'll find out in the test. The cutting blade has a diameter of 41 millimeters, and the no-load rotation speed reaches 270 RPM. As for its cutting capacity, it can handle materials up to 6.4 millimeters thick. Additionally, an extra blade and a charging cable are included. A service hotline for a $24 tool? Now that's a nice surprise. And some more info. This machine is designed to cut flexible materials like PVC, carpet, cardboard, leather, and textiles. It features a non-slip soft grip, a visual cutting guide, and a self-sharpening blade. There's also a 3-stage battery charge level indicator, and of course, a convenient carry case. Let's take a look at the carry case first, then we'll dive into what's inside. The carrying case feels solid and durable, and it even features an image of the machine on the sides. Nice touch. When you open the case, you're greeted with a strong plastic smell, which suggests the plastic might be of lower quality. As mentioned in the description, there's an extra blade, and to its credit, it's surprisingly sharp. We'll see how well it performs in the upcoming test. The charging cable is 1.5 meters long and has a USB-C to USB-A connection. It's simple, but it's nice that it's included. Let's take a closer look at this and see what it's all about. At first glance, it looks fairly good, sleek and well-designed with a clean, simple appearance. It fits comfortably in the hand, offering a solid grip, though it doesn't feel particularly standout. The plastic feels decent. It's not high-end, but it doesn't have that cheap, flimsy feel either. Thankfully, it doesn't have the same overpowering smell as the box, which is a relief. And there we have the charging port. To start the machine, you need to unlock the trigger using this button. I found out after recording this video that you don't actually have to hold the unlock button the entire time. Just a quick press does the trick. My mistake. Here's the battery indicator, and as you can see, it's showing a full charge for now. Let's get to work with some cutting action. We'll start by slicing through paper in different cardboard thicknesses. That was almost too easy. Let's step it up and tackle something a bit thicker. Piece of cake. Now let's try something a little odd. I'm not sure this will even cut. It kind of worked. Plausible. From strange to solid. Now let's cut through 3 different thicknesses of cardboard. The machine doesn't grip the material like, for example, a jigsaw would. Instead, you'll need to apply some force and push it through manually. The first 2 cardboard tests went smoothly, but things get trickier as the thickness increases. The next one's going to be a real challenge. It's denser cardboard. It sure struggles. Can it make it to the finish line? This is going to be even tougher for this little machine. I think this cardboard is reinforced with something. It almost killed it. Now it's time to recharge, and after that we will get to the next material. Next up, we'll be working with plastic, testing out a few different thicknesses. That did not work. Let's go to the next subject. So far, so good. This is a rather strange object to cut, but why not? That was tough, but we made it through. Next, we will try to cut a few different fabrics. By the way, this t-shirt will be featured in an upcoming video. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss it. Wow, that went smoothly. It sliced through the t-shirt like it was butter. The next fabric, however, will be a bit thicker. It kind of worked, but not a great performance. Now, onto the final test, leather. This is going to be interesting. Do you think it'll cut through it? And the answer is yes. That was way too easy. Let's do a few more cuts. This was fun. Let's rate this thing. First, cutting. Paper and cardboard, 4 out of 6 stars. Plastic, 3 out of 6 stars. Fabrics, 4 out of 6 stars. If you want me to try out other materials, let me know in the comments. Next, battery. Runtime, 2 out of 6 stars. Power, 3 out of 6 stars. I ended up charging the machine 2 times during the course of this video. Finally, the quality of the tool itself, 3 out of 6 stars. So, what can you really expect from this multi-cutter? Does it replace your scissors? Not exactly, but it can cut through certain materials more quickly than scissors. Does it replace your jigsaw? Definitely not. Does it replace any tool you already own? That's a question only you can answer. However, it could be quite useful for someone who does a lot of crafting. Personally, I'm not sure what I'd use it for yet, but it could come in handy for future projects. Here's an interesting question. For those of you who already have one of these, what do you use it for? that wraps up this video. It was a lot of fun testing this tool. If there are any other Parkside tools or machines you'd like to see me unbox or test, leave a comment and I'll see what I can do. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.